Well, hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about insurance. And specifically, we're going to talk about Geico insurance. And just tell you a little bit more about Geico insurance. So, when you think about Geico auto insurance, you can't help but think about the company's well known mascot, the gecko. The gecko who is determined to save you 15% or more on car insurance. That's what he's known for. The company's advertisements highlight the fact that Geico strives to save policyholders as much money as possible. But the company has far more than just low prices to offer its customers. In fact, Warren Buffett believed that Geico was such a sound investment that he purchased all of the company's outstanding stock in 1996, making it a subsidiary of Berkshire Incorporation. So, in this review with Geico Insurance today, we're going to cover coverage and policy options, claims, satisfaction, pricing, and financial strength. So, Geico Car Insurance, with more than 80 years of experience and an online quote process that makes creating a policy simple, it's not difficult to see why Geico Insurance, more than 27 million vehicles, and and protects over 16 million policyholders. That's a lot, 16 million. When it comes to policy coverage, Geico Auto has a lot to offer. So they offer liability coverage. Liability in most states, drivers must carry a minimum amount of liability coverage. This coverage protects you from personal injury and property damage claims that are the result of an at-fault car accident. Medical payments coverage. Medical payments coverage, which also commonly referred to as personal injury protection or no-fault insurance in some states, covers the cost of medical bills for you and anyone in your family resulting from an accident. Comprehensive and collision coverage. When people refer to full coverage auto insurance, they are typically referring to their comprehensive and collision coverage. This coverage is optional, but most lien holders do require policy holders to carry them. Comprehensive and collision pay for damage to your vehicle in the event of a loss, whether it's accident related or not. Uninsured motorist coverage. Even though most states require drivers to carry a minimum amount of liability insurance, not all drivers comply. Your uninsured motorist coverage pays for damage to your vehicle in the event the at-fault driver does not have auto insurance. So that's pretty cool. Claims satisfaction. Most insurance companies want to make sure their policyholders are satisfied with the claims process. This makes sense because unless you have to make changes to your policy, chances are you'll only have to contact with your auto insurance company when you need to file a claim. Companies like J.D. Power and Consumer Advocate have compiled information on claims satisfaction into easy-to-read summaries and reports. When you read through Geico Auto's online insurance reviews, it's easy to determine just how well the company handles claims. According to the 2017 auto claim satisfaction study completed by J.D. Power, Geico Auto ranks better than most when it comes to claim satisfaction. The company received above average scores for every category except repair process, where it ranked above average. These scores secured Geico Auto a sixth place ranking, just below the Hanover and above State Farm. That's pretty good. While it's important to review Geico auto insurance ratings for claim processing before purchasing a policy, keep in mind that overall claim satisfaction comes down to three key performance indicators. One, timeliness; two, communication; and three, ease of service interaction. So customer satisfaction ratings, when you're trying to find the best car insurance company for your family, you need to look at more than how the company handles claims. While it's important that insurance companies handle claims quickly, efficiently, and fairly, you should also consider the purchase experience, complaint handling, communication, and overall customer service. The J.D. Power 2018 shopping study shows that the company is about average when it comes to overall customer satisfaction in the Geico auto insurance reviews. But the company's scores vary a bit when you look at each of the criteria individually. For example, Geico Auto received better than most rankings in the policy offering and pricing categories, and among the best ranking for its website. However, when purchasing policies over the phone via a customer service agent, customers thought the company was above average, and it received a subpar ranking in the local agents category, which is to be expected since Geico is a company that does the majority of its business online. When you take a closer look at Geico auto insurance ratings in various states, you discover that the overall opinion of the company varies slightly across the United States. People in California and New York rank Geico as an average company, while those in Florida believe Geico is one of the best options for auto insurance. Pricing. The price of an auto insurance policy can vary drastically among policyholders. This is common with any insurance company since they consider so many variables when creating the quote, such as the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and your age, your gender, and where you live. These scenarios will help you better understand how auto insurance premiums vary. A single female licensed 9 to 15 years, one car, like a Toyota Camry, one violation, and one no-fault accident in the preceding 3 years, drives approximately 12,000 miles per year, and lives in Florida. In scenario 1, which features a single female in Florida, Geico's average rate is $654 for a policy with the state's minimum amount of insurance, and $2,200 for a policy with all available coverages, securing it the number 4 spot. Its rates are lower than both insurance, which is at the time $2,473, and Safeco, which is $2,478, and are the same as government employees' insurance company. Financial strength. It's important to assess an insurance company's financial strength before you choose a policy, because low rates won't really matter if your insurance company doesn't have the financial resources to pay claims. Fortunately, Geico Auto is a subsidiary of Berkshire Hathaway Incorporation, which has assets valued at more than $32 billion. Because of this, it's not surprising that AM Best has consistently given Geico Auto an A++ rating for financial strength over the past 5 years, a score that only 5% of property and casualty companies earn. Standard & Poor's has also awarded Geico Auto and all of its affiliates a financial strength rating of AA+, which is one of the top rankings possible. As you can see by this Geico Auto Insurance review, the company has fairly good customer review scores and financial ratings. Use this Geico review to help compare auto insurance competitors and see if the right insurer for your passenger is, if Geico would be a good fit for your auto insurance. Geico has been around the block, and they're a great company for auto insurance, and recommend you giving them a try. They also have other insurances, like they have life and just different ones available. So give them a shot. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.